Hey, I'm Adrian the Canadian. This is the carry-on closet. It's a suitcase designed to help you stay organized when you're on the go. Step 1, the problem. We've all been there. You're traveling on the road, you open your suitcase up when you get to your hotel room, and everything goes everywhere. Nobody likes that. Nobody likes digging for their stuff. And then worst of all, when you check out, you have to repack everything. And if you're on one of those trips where you stay 2 nights per hotel, you keep changing, you have to keep repeating that process over and over and over again. I've been there. Most of 2017, I was on the road. I never stayed in the same bed for more than 6 nights in a row. This was just a natural solution to the problem that I was facing of not being able to stay organized. It's a carry-on suitcase that has a built-in shelving system that's self-supporting, so it stands on the handle of the suitcase itself. This allows you to stay organized super easily. The shelving system has 6 shelves, and you can pack them each to being about 70% full, then you can compress it into space. The top one is fully hard on all 4 sides. That's for your toiletries, your toothpaste, the things you don't want squeezing out all over your clothes. The center shelf is extra large. That's for large sweaters, scarves. They end up compressing quite a bit, but they just take up space when you unpack. We all need to charge our phones about 100 times a day. There's side pockets for cables and little small items. And I always keep the socks and undies down in the bottom. You can pack it with or without the shelving system. There's a large mesh pocket here that you can use for storing shoes or any other kind of items. And in the compression section, there's also the area you can use for storing cables or other small items in these other mesh pockets.